Alright, I wanted to go over setting the page title background images. So the first thing to do is just pick a page, and obviously when you create it, it's just going to be the no background at the top. So it's really easy to set a background image. So all you do is edit your page and upload an image and set it as a featured image. So I have an image right here. I'm going to upload it, and then you click use as featured image, and then you'll see it down here, and you can update your page. And let's go and view our page now, and you'll see that it has a nice background image. So it's really easy. I have a couple other pages. Let's go and demo that again. Let's go and view our contact page. Let's edit that and upload a background image. So if we upload an image, we can just use as our featured image again, update it. Super easy. Any page can have a background image. There are a couple exceptions, and those exceptions are the blog. So if I view the blog, I'm going to close out of those. If I view the blog posts and a couple of the other pages, like the menu. So if I go to a menu category, those don't have a page to pull the background title from. So the fallback is the blog page, and there's a couple reasons for that are technical, but so if we set an image for the blog, let's go ahead and do that. This will make more sense if I show you an example. So I'll use featured image and update it. Let's go ahead and view the blog first. So you see our blog, and then our blog post, obviously, and then our archives. All those will automatically, our category, etc., will automatically show up. That makes sense because they're all blog pages. But also your menu category and your menu post will use that same image. And that's what I was explaining, was those don't have a page to pull from, so the page they'll pull from is the blog. So the same thing works for if you have a portfolio post, they'll pull from the blog background. So just kind of giving you some background if you're wondering, hey, why doesn't it have a background image? Just create a blog page even if you're not using the blog, and set a background image to the blog, and then that one will be used for those. So the other thing that I wanted to go over was there's a plugin called Multiple Featured Images, and if you download this plugin, it'll automatically set additional featured images under here that you can just add. You would just click add set featured image to all, like I believe I added 3 extra featured images, and that will give you a slideshow. So it's just kind of an additional option. Sometimes I'll get questions for that, so I wanted to build that in. So if you wanted to download this free plugin from WordPress.org, you can do so, and have transitions in your background. So that should answer all your questions, and hopefully I was pretty clear on that. Other thing, you might need to play around a little bit to get an idea of what I meant by basically any page that you find and you don't know how to set the page background to, the page background, that the way that you set the page background to that page is via the blog page. So that one's basically what I would consider the fallback. So if you can't set a page background to it, the blog page is the fallback. So that's probably the easiest way to understand how it works. So other than that, it should just be edit page and upload an image. Just a couple of those quirky pages that don't have a featured image. So that is the page title background image. Hopefully I didn't confuse you. If I did, just jump on our support forums and I'll help.